In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change name on Facebook Messenger. Messenger always pulls your name from your main Facebook account, so instead of changing a separate Messenger name, you will be updating your name through the Facebook Account Center, and that update will then show in Messenger. Go ahead and open the Messenger app on your phone. When it opens, you should see your recent conversations list, with your chats stacked vertically and your profile picture somewhere near the top. If the app asks you to log in first, make sure you log in with the same Facebook account whose name you want to change, so the right profile gets updated. Now tap the menu icon. On most phones, this is your tiny profile picture in a circle at the top left or top right of the screen. When you tap it, a side or full screen panel appears, showing your profile at the top and a list of options underneath, so you know you are in the main menu area rather than inside a single chat. Next, tap Settings. This usually appears as a gear icon near the top of that menu screen. When you tap it, Messenger opens a settings page with different sections like Account, Privacy, and Preferences. Here is one tip for beginners. If you ever feel lost, checking for that gear icon is often the quickest way back to your main controls. From there, tap Account Center. You will see it listed with a small icon and a note that it is where you manage your connected profiles. When you open Account Center, the layout changes slightly, and you will notice options that mention Facebook, Instagram, and logging in, which tells you that you are now editing settings that sit above individual apps. Now tap Profiles. This section is where each Facebook profile linked to this Account Center is listed. On the profile screen, you should see your Facebook profile picture and your current name exactly as it appears across Facebook and Messenger. If you manage more than one profile, they will be listed separately here. Select your Facebook profile. Just tap on your name or picture. That opens a more detailed page for that specific profile with options related to your personal information. The top of the screen will show your current name again, so you can double-check you are editing the correct profile before changing anything. Next, tap Name. This opens a screen with separate boxes for first name, middle name, and last name. You will also see your current name already filled in. Any change you make here controls how your name appears everywhere that uses this Facebook profile, including Messenger chats and group conversations. Enter your new first name, your middle name if you use one, and your last name. Type carefully and check for spelling, since Facebook limits how often you can change your name. Many beginners forget the middle name field is optional, so you can leave it blank if you do not want one to show. Now tap Review Change. The next screen shows how your new full name will appear, sometimes giving you different order options if your language supports it. This preview lets you confirm everything looks right before you apply it, and it is your last moment to catch typos without using another name change later. Finally, tap Save Changes. You will return to the profile screen, and now your updated name appears there, and shortly after that it will also update in Messenger, so your new name shows in your chats. You just changed the name that Facebook Messenger uses through the Account Center, giving your conversations the updated name you want. If this helped you get your Messenger name sorted, a quick thumbs up really helps others find it, and you can subscribe if you want more simple guides like this.